What's going on, everyone? Lilith here. Today, we got what's in my wallet for October 2020. We'll walk through what cards are in my wallet based on different spending categories, as well as talk through some logic / thought into why these cards are here for this month. And as a quick spoiler alert, I have 2 Chase Freedom Flexes, and I'm super excited to share that story as well. We'll get there soon enough. But with that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Lilith again. We talk about stocks, credit, personal finance in general. I love to beatbox as well. But with that, let's get straight into it. Let's start off with the grocery category. For groceries, I use the American Express Gold Card. You get 4x membership reward points for every dollar spent on groceries. You also get 4x membership reward points for every dollar spent on dining with the American Express Gold Card, which is also why I love to use the American Express Gold Card for dining, as well as the Chase Sapphire Reserve. So, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, in conjunction with the American Express Gold Card, you get 4x membership reward points with the Gold Card. You have 3 times ultimate reward points with the Sapphire Reserve. But basically, I like the flexibility of having these points in different ecosystems so I can use them more flexibly when I redeem. I love to redeem these points through transferring them to airline partners, which is my preferred way of redeeming points. Coming to the category of gas, we have the Chase Inc. Cash Business Card. Basically, you get 2 times Chase Ultimate Reward points for every dollar spent on gas. I personally don't spend that much on gas, so 2 times isn't the most, it isn't the least, but it plays well and it's all a part of that Chase ecosystem. And in the end, points better than cash back for me personally. Coming to the miscellaneous category, hands down, my favorite is the American Express Blue Business Plus credit card. Basically, you get 2 times membership reward points up to $50,000 worth of spend, regardless of category. So it's super useful. On the other hand, other places where miscellaneous spend happens could be, for example, Costco. In that case, I have the Costco Business Credit Card, which looks like this. In addition, if I go to Target, for example, there's 5x back. You don't need the Target credit card. You can actually do it through just having their debit card, the Target Red debit card, which basically just pulls funds straight from your checking account to pay for your goods. And you get 5 times, actually 5% cash back on Target purchases. And it looks like this. Couple debit cards to mention. First, we got the Charles Schwab debit card right over here. One of the beautiful advantages is that you get free ATM withdrawals both domestically and internationally. You get charged up front, but they return it to you at the end of the month. Amazing customer service, great card, easy to use, totally recommend it. Another debit card is the Wells Fargo debit card over here. This offer is expired, but basically they had an offer of, hey, try out our checking account and you get $400. So I'm like, okay, I'll try it out. And so I'm in the midst of trying it out, but just kind of mentioning it here where there's so many offers to try out different accounts and see whether or not you like it. So just saying, hey, take advantage of it if you want. All right, story time. So how do I have 2 Chase Freedom Flexes? Well, when it was announced, the Chase Freedom Flex, at the time I had a Chase Freedom Unlimited, 2 Chase Freedoms, and a Chase Sapphire Reserve. And so I had a decision to make because being over 524, I couldn't get the Chase Freedom Flex by applying fresh as a new applicant. So I would need to product change, aka switch over one of my cards that I currently had to the Chase Freedom Flex. And so what I decided was the Chase Freedom Unlimited to go and the Chase Freedom Flex to come in. Aka I would have 2 original Chase Freedoms, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and the new Chase Freedom Flex. One of the rules is, hey, you can only have 1 Chase Freedom Flex, and that's that. So I didn't think much of it, and life goes on. Fast forward to today. You have, from Waller's Wallet, the YouTube channel, the man himself, Dustin, came out with a video of, can you have multiple Chase Freedom Flexes? I saw the title, and the thumbnail was also not him having more than one. It was just like, hey, can you? So I watched it, and I was watching it, and I was watching it, and the video was almost over, and I was losing it. He came out having 2 Chase Freedom Flexes. And so I did exactly what he was talking about. So do go check him out. Link to the video down in the description below. But the point is, holy crap. I called and instantaneously I chose to switch over one of my original Chase Freedoms to the Chase Freedom Flex. So now I have 2 Chase Freedom Flexes, 1 original Chase Freedom, and the Chase Sapphire Reserve. To wrap us up, I just wanted to talk really quickly about the categories for the Chase Freedom. This quarter, it's Walmart and PayPal. I do have the PayPal Mastercard over here, issued by Synchrony Bank, but basically you get 2% cash back with this card, and that's great, but you get 5x by paying through PayPal with the Chase Freedom or Freedom Flex. And those 5-time points with the CSR gives you 7.5% in terms of cashback minimum value for travel, etc., etc. Also, the 3 cards you saw, the 2 Flexes and the Freedom, not so long ago, I have an authorized user, so I just use it for illustrative purposes, but I did get approved and I do have 2 Chase Freedom Flexes, so just wanted to close that loop if anyone was curious. But with that, thank you so much. Go check out Waller's Wallet. He's amazing. And like, share, subscribe. You know how it is. But with that, I'll see you soon enough. So yeah.